Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am so excited for today's video, you have no idea. We are diving deep into the magical, mystical world of how to make your hair curly at home, using totally natural, super easy, and, get this, completely heatless methods. Seriously. Your curling wands are about to get so jealous. We're talking gorgeous, bouncy curls without frying your precious strands. This is going to save you so much time in the morning, so much money on expensive tools, and most importantly, it's going to save your hair from all that dreaded heat damage. Say it with me, we love healthy hair. And listen, before you even think it, oh, Ariana, my hair is stick straight, it will never work for me, or my hair is already kinda wavy, what's the point? Stop right there. These methods are for literally everyone. All hair types, all skill levels, from total beginner to seasoned pro. If you can tie your shoes, you can do this, I promise. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or a salon, just things you already have at home. I'm talking socks, paper towels, things you would never believe could give you the curls of your dreams. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's transform our hair together. It's going to be iconic. Alright, first up, we are starting with an absolute classic, a true OG in the heatless curl game. Braids. I mean, who didn't do this in middle school and wake up feeling like a superstar? We're just going to perfect it. So, you want to start with your hair slightly damp. Not soaking wet, because then it will literally never dry, and not bone dry, because the curls won't set. Think like 80% dry. I just spritzed mine with a little water bottle. Now, the key here is sectioning. The more sections you have, the tighter and more defined your curls will be. If you want those big beachy waves, maybe just do 2 big braids. But for today, I'm going for definition, honey. So, I'm parting my hair down the middle and then splitting each side into 3 smaller sections. So 6 braids in total. Now you're just going to do a standard 3-strand braid on each section. The tighter you pull and braid, the tighter the resulting curl pattern will be. If you want a looser, more relaxed wave, keep the braid a bit looser. It's totally customizable, which is what we love to see. Make sure you braid all the way down to the very ends and secure it with a small, gentle elastic. We don't want any of those weird straight ends sticking out, okay? We're committing to the curl. Once all your braids are in, you're basically done. How easy was that? Now you just have to let them do their thing. The best way to do this is to sleep on them overnight. It's like your hair is getting a magical makeover while you're dreaming. In the morning, you just need to be super gentle. Don't just rip the elastics out. Carefully unwind each braid, and then use your fingers to gently separate the curls. Do not, I repeat, do not brush them out unless you're going for a 90s fluffball vibe. Just a little finger combing, a little shake, and bam! Effortless, gorgeous, heat-free curls. Iconic. Okay, Chapter 2. Are you ready for this? We are about to curl our hair with socks. Yes, you heard me. Socks. It sounds absolutely insane. But trust me, the results are chef's kiss. The curls you get from this are so soft, so bouncy, it's unbelievable. So, go raid your drawer for some clean, please for the love of all that is good, clean, socks. You're going to need to cut the toe part off so you have a little fabric tube. Then, you roll that sock up on itself until you have what looks like a little donut. A hair donut made of a sock. We are innovators. You'll need one for each section of hair you want to curl. So, just like before, you're going to start with slightly damp hair. For this method, I like to put my hair up in a high ponytail, right on top of my head. It makes it easier to sleep on, and I find the curls look more natural when they fall down. Now, take a section of your hair from the ponytail, maybe 1 to 2 inches wide. Place the end of your hair onto the sock donut and start wrapping the hair around it, rolling the sock donut down towards your scalp. It's like you're rolling up a little sleeping bag, but it's your hair. Keep it nice and taut. Once you've rolled it all the way down to the base of your ponytail, your hair should be holding the sock donut securely in place. If you have super silky hair, you might need a bobby pin or two, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere while you're sleeping. Now, just repeat that process with the rest of your hair until your entire ponytail is rolled up in these little sock buns. You are going to look absolutely ridiculous, and you need to embrace it. Go show your roommate, your partner, your dog. In the morning, you just gently unroll each section, and oh my god. The bounce, the volume. Finger comb them out and prepare to be obsessed. Next up, for all my lazy girls out there, and trust me, I am the president of that club, we have the twist bun method. This is probably the easiest technique of them all, and it gives you these gorgeous, loose, supernatural looking waves. Like you just spent a day at the beach and your hair just happened to dry perfectly. It's the ultimate I woke up like this look. All you need for this are some scrunchies or clips, and that's literally it. Again, we're starting with damp hair. Are you sensing a theme here? Damp hair is our best friend on this heatless journey. So depending on how wavy you want your hair, you can do 1, 2, or even 4 buns. For a really loose, subtle wave, 2 buns is perfect. I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Now, take one side and start twisting it. Just twist, twist, twist away from your face. Keep twisting it until the hair starts to coil up on itself. It's like making a rope, but with your hair. The tighter you twist, the more defined the wave will be, so play around and see what you like best. This is your hair fantasy, live it. Once it's twisted up into a tight little coil, you're going to wrap that coil around itself to form a little bun, right against your head. Secure it in place with a soft scrunchie or some claw clips. I love using scrunchies because they don't leave any dents. Now, just do the exact same thing on the other side. You'll end up looking like a cute little space bun alien, and I am here for it. Let these set for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better, sleep on them. When you're ready, just take them down, give your hair a good shake at the roots, and look at those effortless, beautiful waves. So simple, so chic. Okay, you thought socks were weird? Get ready. We are now going to use paper towels, or cloth strips, if you're feeling fancy and sustainable. This is the ultimate I have literally nothing else in my house method, and believe it or not, it works shockingly well. It gives you these beautiful, almost ringlet-style curls that are just stunning. So, go to your kitchen and grab a roll of paper towels. You're going to want to cut or tear them into strips, about 1 to 2 inches wide. If you have longer hair, you might want to fold a strip in half to make it a bit stronger. We don't want any mid-curl rips, that would be a tragedy. The application is pretty similar to old-school foam rollers, if you've ever used those. Take a small section of your damp hair. About 1 inch wide is perfect for this. Place the paper towel strip at the very end of your hair section and start rolling your hair up around the paper towel, all the way to the root. Make sure you're keeping it nice and tight as you roll. This is what's going to create that gorgeous spiral curl shape. It feels a little weird, but you have to trust the process. This is where the magic happens. Once you've rolled the hair all the way up to your scalp, take the 2 ends of the paper towel strip and simply tie them in a knot to secure the little hair roll in place. It's surprisingly secure. Now, just keep going, section by section, until your whole head is covered in these little paper towel knots. Yes, you will look insane. It's a rite of passage. Go to sleep, have sweet dreams of perfect curls, and in the morning, gently untie and unroll each one. The curls will be quite tight at first, but you can gently separate them with your fingers to get the most beautiful, defined, bouncy curls you've ever seen. All from a paper towel. The power. And finally, for our last chapter, we have a method for anyone who wants to enhance the natural wave or curl they already have, or for those with straight hair who just want a little bit of texture and life. This is the scrunching method, and it is all about using the right product and technique. You're not creating a curl from scratch here. You're encouraging your hair's natural pattern to come out and play. The hero product for this can be a curl cream, a mousse, or even some aloe vera gel for a more natural approach. Today, I'm using my favorite curl cream. You're going to want to start with hair that is pretty wet for this one, much wetter than the other methods. So, right out of the shower is perfect. Flip your head upside down. This is crucial for volume. Take a small amount of your product, maybe a quarter-sized dollop, and warm it up between your palms. Then, gently glaze it over your hair. Don't rake it through with your fingers. You don't want to break up any potential curl clumps. We're being gentle. We're being kind to our hair. We want to coat the strands without disrupting them. Now, for the main event, the scrunching. Still with your head flipped over, you're going to take sections of your hair in your palm and gently scrunch them upwards towards your scalp. Imagine you're an accordion, or you're scrunching up a piece of paper. You should hear a little squishing sound. That's how you know you're doing it right. Do this all over your head for a few minutes. Then, you have two choices. You can let it air dry completely, don't touch it, or you can use a diffuser on the cool setting to speed things up. Once it's 100% dry, you can flip your head back up, scrunch out any cast from the product, and enjoy your beautifully defined, natural texture. And there you have it, my loves. 5, count 'em 5. Incredibly easy, totally heat-free ways to get the gorgeous curls of your dreams right at home. I am literally obsessed with how my hair turned out, and we didn't even look at a curling iron. We used braids, socks, buns, paper towels, and our own 2 hands to create this magic. Now you have a whole arsenal of techniques to choose from depending on the look you're going for. Whether you want tight ringlets or loose beachy waves, you can do it all without a single bit of heat damage. Your hair is thanking you right now. I can feel it. Now, if you want your beautiful new curls to last, I have a few final tips for you. For long-lasting curls, avoid touching your hair too much. I know it's tempting to run your fingers through them, but the oils on your hands will make them fall flat. A light mist of a flexible hold hairspray can also work wonders. And my #1 tip for preserving any hairstyle overnight is to sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. It reduces friction, prevents frizz, and keeps your curls looking fresh for day 2, and maybe even day 3. It's a total game changer. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today and getting our curl on. I hope you feel inspired to put down the hot tools and give one of these natural methods a try. Remember, with consistency and the right technique, you can get salon-worthy curls at home. No heat, no damage. If you try any of these, please tag me in your photos on Instagram. I would absolutely love to see your stunning results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!